So we're meeting Marsha and Jeff.
Okay.
And they got the cutest dog.
What's the dog's name?
Baxter.
And that must be Baxter.
That's Baxter.
Hi.
Hey, how's it going? Don't go too far.
Hello. Oh, hi.
I'm Marsha. Nice to meet
I'm
you.
Jeff.
We've been married for 17 years.
Yes, long time.
When I think luxury, I want there to be a wow factor when people come into our house. And when I come into my own house, I want there to be a wow factor. I look at the magazines and I think, I want that. We have $100,000 to spread out through the main floor.
Oh
Yeah.
my
Michelle, good to
gosh,
see you.
look at it.
Is he not adorable?
It's so yellow.
Yeah, it's a lot. It's on the ceiling.
Also, these stair runners have seen better days.
You're right,
They're expensive to replace, but you guys definitely need an upgrade.
right.
It's okay.
It's time for a change.
Oh, and Kai, look at that chandelier.
Someone sent it back to Game of Thrones.
Basically.
Yeah.
But it does evoke a good mood, I gotta tell you.
Yeah.
It continues to be yellow.
It's literally everywhere. And we should reorient the furniture, right, Kai?
Because when you walk in, this is like a barrier.
There's no television, so why not face the couch towards the kitchen where all the interaction is happening anyway?
Yes.
Did you paint that fireplace?
I did. So it's the red brick from the front of the house.
How do you feel about the mantle? Is it a keeper?
No, it's dated. It feels old-fashioned.
Right.
I would love either a natural wood beam
Sure.
or
Okay.
something. We've been here 8 years, and so we haven't touched anything.
How long did you live here before you realized you wanted to renovate?
Maybe 4 years ago, we
Yeah,
started talking
about
about it.
We had smaller kids. We thought if we can fix things up, they just trash it.
Trust me, I get it. I actually see that a lot with clients that have young kids.
How old are your kids?
They're 11 and 14.
Okay.
I know it's not okay for you guys to say this, but the kids are older. It's time for you to be selfish a little bit. Let's indulge. Let's get what you want.
When we first moved in, I loved the kitchen. It was certainly an upgrade from our townhouse that we lived in before we moved in here. I didn't mind the dark countertops. And then living in them, it's like, oh, I can see all the crumbs.
Yeah.
And I
Oh,
can
the
see all this.
fingerprints.
Yes.
How do you feel about the backsplash?
Well, I mean, if we lived in New Mexico or Arizona, some things I'd like to replace in the house are certainly the paint color, update the countertops and the cabinets. An island is a must-have. I want to have a giant island. As far as material goes, I love the look of marble. I'm just not so sure if we can afford
I
it.
want the quality of a yacht life
Yeah.
for the price of a pontoon.
That's great.
Immediately, we want to get rid of this wall. And Marsha, I know that's really important to you, and you want it
Yeah.
all gone, right?
If possible.
It's likely something in there,
Yeah.
and we're probably gonna have to integrate it into the island. We should take the island this way. I want all of this open, if that's okay
Yeah.
with you.
Yeah, most
Make the
definitely.
island a lot wider, right? Minimum 4 feet deep. That way you've got prep surface and sink on this side, that's all you, right? And then on the other side, Jeff and the kids could be eating, or Jeff, maybe you're washing dishes, who knows?
We never know.
You know?
There could be a switch up.
There's always a first.
So Michelle, what are some ideas you had for this island?
You know I want a waterfall, guy.
A waterfall in the kitchen? Is
Yes.
that really luxury nowadays?
Absolutely.
Wow.
You know what that
Okay.
means, right?
I have
the countertop
Oh, okay.
turns 90-degree angle and goes down to the floor.
Oh, okay.
That's a waterfall.
Waterfall
Oh,
sounds
I
like
thought
you
it was
got
an
an
actual
actual
waterfall. I was like, wow, I didn't know that was
That
luxury.
would be luxury.
Anything else that I missed?
Michelle, I'd like you to see, we have a surprise here in the kitchen for you.
Are you gonna give
If
me
you
a
can
clue?
open up one of those drawers over there, you'll be
Oh, Lord.
very pleased with what you're gonna see.
Okay.
Wait, did you just break my kitchen?
That was a hell of a setup, Jeff.
When did that happen?
That actually happened 2 days ago.
But now I gotta get started immediately.
Please,
Yeah.
please.
Can we demo today?
Yes.
Yeah, most definitely.
We're working on the designs, but before we lock in our plans, these have been bothering me. I wanna see what's behind that big wall to make sure there aren't any hidden issues. Yeah, here's the story. All this, gone. And as little of this as possible. And so basically, our new island peninsula starts from this point.
I mean, my guess is that's going to be fine. I mean, I doubt, like, if that's load bearing, then it's just open there. So it's probably just this. Then again,
So far, we okay? Uh-oh, wait a minute. I'm a little concerned with the number of studs here.
Yeah,
Usually it's
that is-
2. That's
yeah,
4.
That's 4.
Does that feel load-bearing to you?
I think we need to see what's resting.
Yeah. So is it possible that this would stop me from opening this wall?
The only way there's gonna be an issue is if we see a cut line and the LVL resting on that, that would tell us there's a problem. Is there a seam right there on that LVL?
It looks like it could be. I feel like it's two. They're glued together, like it's two.
Which means that can't go.
Okay. You come up and take a look. What do you think that is, ballpark?
Like money-wise?
Money.
To be quite honest, like the price of LVLs right now, it's insanity. Probably talking about $6,000. You've got to wrap that, and then we're gonna have to, that wasn't even in the budget.
Little breaker.
And we can't even afford the power bill, look. It's like.
I want to laugh at you, but I can't.
Sorry. Well, you gotta laugh, because I mean, you're just gonna run into stuff like this every day.
Lots of progress at Jeff and Marsha's as our new support beams come in. And I'm here to check it out with Laura. Oh, hey, Laura.
Hey, how's it going?
It's going great.
Looks good, yeah?
I haven't seen it in person. This is incredible.
Yeah, but you know what the good news is? Even better, we got it all done for $2,500.
I accept. That's so much better than $6,000. It's still a spend, but a much needed one. I can't even talk because I'm so happy that I've got a focal point. Like, I don't have this big wall blocking the range hood anymore, so I'm really excited to see that. While we're still dialing in the design and trying to figure out the biggest bang for our buck, the kitchen is progressing with our new beautiful wood cabinets. And the flooring is getting done. This renovation is moving quickly, so we've got to get our finishes selected ASAP. We have so much business to cover today. Okay, guys, so the numbers right now for Jeff and Marsha's entire first floor are at $130,000. However, they can only spend $100,000. So we gotta figure out how to save 30 grand here. Can I tell you what the toughest thing is gonna be about this house, besides meeting the budget? We got a crap ton of yellow to get rid of. Marsha really knows what she wants, right? She is really clear on her design style, mostly white, and we're gonna break it up with texture.
What about painting all of the rooms the same shade of white? That could definitely save us 5 grand.
So, I mean, every time you change a paint color, it's more money. They have to stop and, clean their brushes. And then plus you can use that paint and you can do it whether it's on the wall or the trim. So you have a paint savings and a labor savings. So that's a great one.
You know what? Pause. We're gonna use one color and one finish throughout the entire house.
I love that.
The walls and the trim.
Great, that's another 2 grand.
Laura, let me ask you a question.
Okay.
So, I know we're already working on the floors in the dining room, but there's this outdated stain inlay that they want to get rid of. The design is only around the perimeter of the dining room.
Okay.
Is there any way we could save everything in the middle?
And what we'll have to do is we'll have to feather from both sides.
Great, that'll save us another $3,000. We can use this wood wallpaper in Jeff's office to give it a cool mountain vibe, but we'll save about $8,000 by not using real wood and saving on the millwork. Okay, one more thing. Speaking of cool, and speaking of Jeff.
Okay.
One of the things on his wish list is a wet bar. I want the bar to have a lot of nice wood details and some stone finishes to give Jeff that aspen ski lodge feel he loves so much. But Laura, I do know that will come with a big price tag. It's gonna go right here, right outside of his office. This is all Laura.
The good news is cost-wise, at least we're near water lines.
Yes.
So that helps.
Since we don't have to run new plumbing lines, that could save us about $4,000.
Are you excited?
I'm super excited.
Great.
I can't wait to see what he's done.
Okay.
Hello? Marsha?
Hello.
What? Look at
Hey, how's it going? How's it going?
How are
man?
you?
Good.
I'm supposed to let you in.
I can't. I don't even
all right.
know where to look right now.
Yeah.
Oh
How about
my
to the
gosh. The parlor.
Guess what?
Oh my
Totally
gosh.
different.
Yellow the right way.
Yeah. It's awesome.
And this, I mean, the wallpaper, what is going on?
Yeah.
This is amazing.
It's a little bit different than what I
Yes.
proposed, but I was like, Marsha will love this.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Texture on texture on
And
texture.
oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Thank you.
I knew you'd be happy.
And this staircase.
Yeah, I love it.
I
This
can't
looks
get
great.
over it.
I'm so glad you guys noticed it. We actually got runners, 3 of them for like $114.
Oh my
Shut up.
goodness.
We installed them ourselves, and it looks incredible. Are you really excited, Dad?
I'm excited, man. I'm saving some money,
wish
man.
I
That's
had
Oh,
great.
the savings. That,
Yeah,
I get it.
yeah,
I get it. I get
yeah.
it. I've got more that's gonna really blow your mind.
Oh, I can see more.
Well, this is your new dining room.
This is
That's awesome.
amazing.
Well, kind of new,
The
guys.
wallpaper is
Exactly,
so
the wallpaper.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Look
It's
at
like
that.
linen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, I never in a million years would have put drapes there. I love it.
Did you check out the inlay is gone?
It is.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Oh my gosh, we have like a continuation of flooring. That's
Yeah.
so nice.
Are you ready for the big stuff?
All right, yeah, most definitely.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
This looks awesome. Wow.
Stop this.
Welcome to your new family room.
Look at Baxter.
Oh my God, that's a. Oh,
And what do you think about your fireplace?
This is amazing.
Do you like it? This mantle was another hat, guys. This is just reclaimed wood. Laura made it to look like a box, right? So instead of spending $1,500, we spent about 50 bucks.
wow.
It's simple.
Yeah.
You know, simple in everything that is affixed to the house
Right.
allows us to have more fun with the furnishings, with the drapery and all these things we added.
And the way that you change the space around, it's amazing.
Completely reoriented the room.
Yeah.
You look through the front door, you see the side of the sofa as opposed to the back. It says, come on in, have a seat.
Right. Oh my
And
goodness.
experience the things back there.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Stop it. That's amazing.
Now,
Goodness.
Jeff, let's do our homework.
Oh my
What's this called?
gosh.
That is called a waterfall.
Yes!
Ah,
Yes!
yes.
This is our kitchen.
Yeah, this is
Oh my gosh.
fantastic.
This is amazing.
Good. We
Thank
banked
you.
on one
Oh my gosh.
waterfall. We got 3.
What?
Look like that. Waterfall
We
on
got
both
3
sides.
for 1.
The one thing that I'm really happy to see
I know where you're
are
going.
these waterfall edges. They're beautiful.
I mean, this is classic. You can take your hot pot off the stove and put it right here. I mean, there's so many advantages to using quartz.
Oh my gosh, how big is this thing?
Just over 10 feet long
Yeah.
and approximately 5 feet deep. Just enough so you can reach the center. Anything over 5, you can't reach
Yeah.
the middle. So we
a
kept it there.
Double basin? You
Double
listen
basin.
to me.
Of course I listen.
I love this.
This room just has opened up so much with the colors and.
I mean, just
everything
having
blends, yeah.
this, that
It's great.
wall opened up is unbelievable.
And I don't see this often, where the range hood is completely wrapped in the solid surface. The trick is that we use a thinner stone here than we
Okay.
do on the countertops. Helps us save a little money, but it also helps with the weight.
Wow. I love the wood island, and then this color is incredible.
I mean, did we accomplish our goal here?
Yes.
I think you
and
did.
some.
Good.
It's beautiful.
Good,
yes.
good.
Yeah, when I used to walk into this kitchen, I felt like I was living in the 90s, you know, with the black granite, the doors falling off of the cabinets.
Yellow walls, black
Yeah.
granite, falling doors,
Yeah.
Yeah.
a blocked view.
Yeah.
So many bad things, right?
This is clean and it feels crispy. I love it.
I like that
And warm.
word. Call me crispy.
I mean, it feels
Yeah.
luxurious when you walk in here and you just stand and look around.
Good job, Michelle.
It just,
Thank
Making
you.
my life a lot easier.
All right, guys, come up
Welcome
and
to
see.
your new home.
This is a totally different house.
oh my God, wait, what the heck?
It's cool.
It feels like it's updated, it's done, it's finished, and we don't really have to think about anything else.
Except for the basement. Got to get that. That's the next.
That'll be next.
Yeah, no, but overall, I mean, it's just an incredible job for Michelle and the team and what they were able to accomplish.
I got the gang with me.
Hey, what's going on?
Hello!
Hey.
I the kids.
You get to meet the kids.
Hey, Locke, nice to meet you. I'm
lovely
Michelle.
to meet you. You're beautiful.
If we're impressed,
They're impressed.
exactly.
And we converted someone over to the world of wallpaper.
Hello.
Anytime we can convert
Score.
someone,
Yeah, that was huge.
that's a win.
So is this a wallpaper household now? Embracing wallpaper?
Oh, on certain walls.
Okay, on certain walls. Everybody got that.
Harris family, we wish you the best.
We really do.
Cheers.
We do.